Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a video meme. It's pretty simple and it's for free. So yeah, let's get started right away. So what we are going to do is you are going to go to this website right here, veed.io. And once you're here, you want to click on upload video. And I'm going to choose this video right here because this is a meme edit I have made once for a friend. So yeah, I'm gonna play it right now just to show you guys real quick. And that is the video, and we want to have the canvas size selected to either square or portrait because that is best for Instagram. What I am going to use square. And usually what you have with memes is that there is a sort of what's it called, sort of bar on top where the text is. So yeah, we're going to do that right now. So you want to click on the video and just resize the video just like this, and I'm going to make the background color white. You can leave it as black if you want to. I'm going to make it white. And now what we want to do is we want to add a funny text or something, yeah, that, or a caption, or that fits with the meme. So I'm going to add a text right now and then click on add new text, and I'm going to write something, or type, sorry, something like for example, me and the boys when yeah, I don't know, something like this. And just you know, normally you'd fill something for real in, but I can't come up with something right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. And yeah, just like this. Then I'm gonna oh, not like that, I'm going to drag it on top, make this thing, yeah, a bit bigger, so we can do it like this. And then make the text size a bit bigger as well, so something like this. And yeah, then you'll have the text, and if you play it now, see, it fits just like this. And if you post it, if you're gonna post it on Instagram or something like that, and this is your meme, so you have created it, you want to probably add your ad as well. So for example, add how to digital, because this is the video credit of us. So I'm going to drag and drop it like right here in the corner, so no one will steal it, or if they steal it, people will know that we have created it. And yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, once you're done with your meme, you can just click on download right here, and this will say rendering your video, and we will have to wait for that depending on how long your video is. It of course depends on how long it will render, but yeah, we're just gonna wait for that. And as you can see, the video is right here with the yeah, with the caption and stuff like that. And you can just click on download video right here, and sometimes, depending on how many times you will use Veed, you have to fill in your name and email address, and then you can download the video. Yeah, which I'm not gonna do that right now, but so yeah, that is basically it. Your video is right here, you can just click on download. It's very straightforward. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.